Breaking. Welcome to today's news. Here is the headlines. Simon Ekpa speaks about Senator Orji, Kalu's alleged death. Exposes secret about his health condition. Simon Ekpa speaks about Senator Orji, Kalu's alleged death. Exposes secret about his health condition. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news, and please do ensure you like, subscribe and share. Simon Ekpa, the self-proclaimed Prime Minister of Biafra, has publicly challenged Senator Orji Kalu to prove his health status amidst rumors of his alleged death. This comes after Senator Kalu debunked the rumors, stating he is medically fit. Ekpa took to his verified X handle to issue the challenge, saying, Senator Orji Kalu, you lied. You are sick and recently wheeled out of the sickbed. We challenge you to come home and greet your constituents to prove you are healthy. This bold statement has sparked controversy, with many questioning Ekpa's motives and sources. Senator Kalu, representing Abia North, had earlier dismissed the death rumors, affirming his good health. However, Ekpa's claims suggest otherwise, implying that Senator Kalu's health condition is more severe than admitted. The challenge to greet his constituent is seen as a litmus test for the senator's fitness. The development has ignited a heated debate, with some supporting Ekpa's call for transparency and others condemning his approach as insensitive. Supporters of Ekpa argue that public figures should be accountable for their health, especially when it affects their ability to serve. On the other hand, critics view Ekpa's statement as politicized attack. As the drama unfolds, Nigerians are watching closely to see how Senator Kalu responds to Ekpa's challenge. Will the senator take up the challenge and prove his health, or will the controversy continue to cloud his tenure? The situation raises important questions about public figures' health disclosure and accountability. Should elected officials be transparent about their health, or is it a private matter? In conclusion, Simon Ekpa's challenge to Senator Orji Kalu has opened a Pandora's box, sparking a national conversation about health transparency in public office. As the story continues to unfold, one thing is clear: Nigerians demand truth and accountability from their leaders. Simon Ekpa, the self-proclaimed Prime Minister of Biafra, has publicly challenged Senator Orji Kalu to prove his health status amidst rumors of his alleged death. This comes after Senator Kalu debunked the rumors, stating he is medically fit. Ekpa took to his verified X handle to issue the challenge, saying, Senator Orji Kalu, you lied. You're sick and recently wheeled out of the sickbed. We challenge you to come home and greet your constituents to prove you are healthy. This bold statement has sparked controversy, with many questioning Ekpa's motives and sources. Senator Kalu, representing Abia North, had earlier dismissed the death rumors, affirming his good health. However, Ekpa's claims suggest otherwise, implying that Senator Kalu's health condition is more severe than admitted. The challenge to greet his constituent is seen as a litmus test for the senator's fitness. The development. The development has ignited a heated debate, with some supporting Ekpa's call for transparency and others condemning his approach as insensitive. To my dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let's know what you